The spark plug cap is a rubber elbow that covers the connection between the spark plug and the ignition coil wire. The rubber cap insulates the high voltage connection. Over time, the cap will harden and crack. This can cause the cap and ignition wire to come free from the plug. In some cases, a cracked cap can allow the electricity to arc to the engine's other components, grounding the ignition out, causing the engine to shut off. Replacing the spark plug cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Next, I'll remove the spark plug boot from the ignition wire. I like to use a little bit of silicone spray to make this easier. I'll spray a little around the coil, as well as some between the boot and the ignition wire. Now that I've applied the silicone spray, I'll go ahead and grab the wire coil with my needle nose pliers. I'll remove the coil from the ignition wire, and then I can slide the boot off of the ignition wire. Now I'll reinstall the spark plug coil. I'll place the spike back into the hole on the ignition wire, and I'll make sure it's firmly pressed inside the stranded wire. Now I'll install the new spark plug cap. I'll apply a little more silicone spray to it, and now I can slide it over the coil and the ignition wire. I'll wipe away the excess silicone spray, and I'll finish up by reinstalling the spark plug cap onto the spark plug. And that's how you can replace the spark plug cap on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.